The life that we live is not something that is lived in an isolation. We don't stay in vacuum. We stay in a society. We stay in a community. We stay in a country where there are people from different culture, different understanding, different ideas. We all come together and make a society. हम इस ज़िंदगी के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानते हैं क्योंकि हमने एक दूसरे से बहुत कुछ सीखा भी है. We know a lot of things from others. इसलिए when we speak about our life, we speak about the experiences that we go through, and at the same time we also speak about the experiences that others have gone through and we learn from it. Life is like a flower. The flower that blooms, it needs nurture, it needs nutrition. किसी की ज़िंदगी बहुत खूबसूरत होती है जबकि किसी की शायद उतनी खूबसूरत ना हो. When I say it is a flower, it needs to have honey too, right? Like Victor Hugo, one great writer, French writer, one of the best French writers, he has said that if life is a flower, then love is honey. अगर एक फूल के समान हमारी जिंदगी है तो definitely it needs to have honey too. Now why is there a requirement of honey in flower? So that the bees would live their life. अगर एक फूल में उसका शहद हो तो ज़रूर आजू बाजू में मधुमक्खी जो है वो टिमटिमाएगी, वो गुनगुनाएगी, क्योंकि उनका भोजन ही इस फूल के अंदर बसा हुआ है. In short, the honeybees are dependent upon flower. This flower is necessary for their existence. Likewise, in our society, in our life, there would be so many people who are dependent upon us. But there is a problem with human being. Every time we think about ourselves, we think about a selfish motive that is attached to us. We always want someone to be responsible for our happiness. हमारी खुशियों के लिए कोई जिम्मेदार ठहरे, ये कई बार हमारी सोच होती है, जो सच मानो तो गलत है. Why should be anyone responsible for your happiness? Why should be anyone responsible for you to be happy? जब हम कई बार ये स्टेटमेंट सुनते हैं कि इंसान को प्यार देना चाहिए, तब भी हम यही सोचते हैं कि कौन मुझे प्यार देगा. Rather than thinking it otherwise, why can't we be the source of that honey, source of love? Love is pure. Love is good. ये वो शहद नहीं है जो फैक्ट्रीज में बनाकर आपके घर पे डब्बों में लाया जाता है. These are the pure form of love. And when we say about pure form of love, it doesn't have any selfish motive. You help others, you be kind to others, you be good to others. Definitely, you need to know your boundaries, obviously. You need to understand your limitations. ये सारी बातें हैं. So when we know that we have this, something that we have inside us can be given to people around. Just imagine there will be so many people, so many lives that will get blessed because of you. They will know that it is you, because of you they are existing. Because of you they are getting nurtured. सिर्फ आपके वजह से उनका नरिशमेंट पूरा हो रहा है. And that is a blessed feeling. ऐसा कुछ नहीं जिसके लिए हम घमंड कर सके, but yes of course, ऐसा कुछ जिसके लिए हम खुश ज़रूर हो सके. Because at the end of the day, when we land up into our bed, we need to have a heart that smiles. रात को जब हम सोने जा रहे हो, अगर हमने पूरे दिन लोगों के साथ झगड़ा किया है, लोगों के साथ उनका गॉसिप किया है, उनके बारे में बुरा भला सोचा है, उनके बारे में उनके लिए ट्रैप्स बनाए हैं ताकि वो गिर जाए, वो कमज़ोर हो जाए, वो उनके साथ कुछ बुरा हो, जब आप रात को सोने जाओगे, it will be difficult for you to understand that this is not life. But if you be a reason for someone else's smile, you be a reason, and if you stop depending upon others for your smile, I tell you that's a most blessed way to live a life.